In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Hotmail, now known as Outlook storage. Let's dive into this process so you can easily monitor your email storage and keep your account running smoothly. First things first, you want to head over to the Outlook login page. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in Outlook login, or simply clicking on a saved bookmark if you have one. Microsoft's website should be one of the top results. Once you're there, you'll need to click on the Sign In button, which is usually prominent and easy to find on the home page. Enter your login details as prompted to access your email account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're logging into the correct one where you want to check the storage. Once you've successfully logged into your account, the next step is to go to your mail. You should see a mail option, often located in a toolbar section of your account interface. Click on that to enter the main mail view where you can see your inbox and other email folders. Now, to get to the settings where you can check the storage information, look for a settings icon. This is typically represented by a small gear symbol found in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this will open up a sidebar or a drop-down menu with multiple options. From this menu, select View All Outlook Settings at the bottom of the sidebar, which will bring up more detailed settings. Next, navigate to the Accounts section. This might involve another click or two within the settings, but once you're there, you'll be able to see various account options. Be sure to select the correct link or tab, and you're well on your way to checking your storage. Within the Accounts section, you should find a sub-option labelled Storage. Click on it to get directed to your email storage status. This is where all the necessary storage details of your Outlook account are stored. Once you've clicked on Storage, you're now viewing how much space you've used and how much is available. This page will provide a comprehensive breakdown of your usage. You might see visual aids such as graphs or charts that give you a clear idea of what's occupying your storage. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you can effectively monitor your Hotmail or Outlook storage usage. This is particularly useful if you're nearing your limit or if you're trying to maintain optimal email performance by managing your space proactively. Keep this guide handy whenever you feel the need to check your storage again. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.